Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. Simply click on Start Lab. Now, once the lab is started, right click over here and open the Cloud Console Incognito window. Click on I understand. Now from here, just click on I agree and continue, and just activate the Cloud Shell. Let me change the appearance over here to light mode. Click on continue. Authorize. Text size upgraded. Now come to the lab instruction and just come to task number 1 and just enable the API. And if you're wondering how to enable this check my progress bar, check the video description. How to enable check my progress. Now copy the second command to install and upgrade pandas. Now after that, upgrade the document AI API. And now from here, just type document AI. Just select this one. You can minimize the Cloud Shell also and remove it. Now click on Explore Processor. Come over here in the Specialized section. We have to click on Invoice Parser. Now from here, you have to just come over here and just copy the name carefully. Paste the name and simply create it. Now we have completed task number 1 and task number 2. So let me just read. Task number 1, task number 2 done. Now copy this command. Again, open the Cloud Shell. Paste over here. Hit enter. It will take some time. This is also done. Now we have to create a file name extraction.py. So what you can do, just type nano over here, paste the file name, hit enter. And here these are the contents. So what you need to do, open any notepad, open any notepad and just paste the content over here. Here we have to modify some of the things. So here, first thing we have to update the project ID. Project ID is available over here. Copy it, update it. Now here, come back again to the console page, minimize it a bit. Here you can see the region is US. So you have to just copy it, or you can type it also. Update it. Wait a second. Here it is. On location you have to update. Now processor ID, you can see this is our processor ID. Copy it carefully. So make sure it looks like this. All things are correct. Now select entire control. Control A, Control C. Come over here. Control V. And to exit, please pay attention. Control X, Y. Hit enter. Control X, Y. Hit enter. Now all things are done. Okay. Now after that, come back again to the lab instruction and just run this command. It will take some time. So you can see we got the output over here. Now we have to create a bucket. So just copy it, paste over here. So finally we are done with the lab. So do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye.